then let's look at ordering angles. We're going to look at ordering angles and ordering sides. This is the last little bit of what we're doing today. To give you an idea, because I'm going to be out tomorrow and out Thursday, tomorrow I'm moving the study guide up to tomorrow. It won't be due till Friday on the test day, but you guys can go ahead and start refreshing on all that stuff from before the break and get so you can study till then. And then I'll bump the other two things down and it'll just kind of work out that way. All right, so ordering angles. The angles of a triangle can be put in order by comparing the side measures. Compare the sides. The smallest angle will be opposite the shortest side. While the largest angle is opposite the longest side. So using the information they've given me, they said that if I look first at the smallest angle, it's going to be opposite the shortest side. So who is my shortest side here? 7, or what we would call BC. And it is going to be opposite angle A. So angle A is my shortest side. Angle A is my smallest angle, not my shortest side. All right, and then it says that the largest angle is opposite the longest side. Who is my longest side? AC. It's 13. And it is opposite angle B. So my largest side, so the greatest angle I have, or the largest angle I have, the greatest angle I have would be angle B. And so that leaves angle C to be in the middle. Questions there about ordering the angles? All right, let's talk about ordering the sides then. All right, the sides of a triangle can be put into order by comparing the angle measures. All right, it says that the shortest side is opposite smallest angle. And the longest side is opposite the largest angle. We'll abbreviate from least to greatest, L to G there.
Is there an angle measurement for F?
No, there's not. Good point.
We gotta figure it out.
We do have to figure it out. So Arion says, hey, angle F doesn't have an angle measure, but I kind of need that to know what order they're going into. So how might I be able to calculate that last angle? And doing what? Subtracting from 180. So 180 minus the 103 plus 42, which would give me an angle measure of
35.
Thank you. 35 degrees. So this angle here is going to be 35 degrees. Very good. And now that I know all the angle measures, now I can use the information they gave me to be able to list my sides from least to greatest. The first thing I have to do is identify the smallest angle, and that's the one we just found, 35 degrees, and it is opposite which side? DE or ED, either way. Letters don't matter in order right there. And then, using the other information they gave me, they said the longest side is opposite the largest angle. So the largest angle here would be 103, and it is opposite side EF. So that will be my greatest or largest side. So now I just have to use the one in the middle, which is the middle degrees, which is 42, which will be DF or FD. So there's my side measures in order. Any questions there? Become famous on my YouTube. Who's that singing in the background? All right, we have it? Okay, let's look at some examples. All right, so we're gonna order the angles and sides from least to greatest. So my example 5 here, I'm going to give you one of each. Okay, that's 44. You can just put that out here. All right, so looking at the first one, they gave me the side measures, which means I'm going to compare the what? The angles. So I'm going to look for the smallest side because I'm starting from least to greatest. So that least would be side NP, or the 17 length, and it's going to be opposite who?
M.
Angle M. All right, what's the next shortest side length? 20, which is side MN, and it's going to be opposite angle P, which leaves my what should be my longest side measure, 24, and it is opposite angle N. Everybody good there? Okay. Now looking at this triangle I have here, what kind of triangle is it? Right triangle. Okay. That doesn't mean does that mean 90 will be my largest?
No.
What do you know about those other two angles? So will 90 be my largest? Gonna have to be, right? Because those other two can only get up to 90 together, right? All right, so how can I find this other angle measure? 90 minus 44, which is 46 degrees. There you go. And now to find my side lengths order from least to greatest. Who am I going to start with? Angle B is the smallest angle, and it is opposite who? DE or ED. Who's the next smallest? Angle E, and it is opposite BD or DB. And lastly, my largest will be
BE or
the angle D is the largest angle, so it's opposite
BE.
BE, which is the last one there. All right, questions? All right, you try this one. All right, there you go. Try that one. Or we think we got it. Let's see how we did. Should have been angle D, B, C, and sides SV, ST, and TV.
Got it.
Any questions? All right. So let me explain the. I didn't mean to push that button. I meant to